Hi, my name's Darin Triolo with Triolo Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty. It's my privilege to share this beautiful home with you at 7825 Doug Hill in the award-winning exclusive Santaluz community of San Diego. Located in the Hacienda Sur development of Santaluz, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home with over 3,200 square feet of living space resides in one of the largest lots at nearly 3/4 of an acre. The courtyard-centered home stands out for several specific reasons. Although the architecture of the exterior is inspired by the haciendas of colonial homes in Mexico, the interior has been beautifully decorated and designed with a French influence. Step inside onto warm cherrywood flooring, which extends throughout the entire home. The formal living room really accentuates the French style with the detailed woodworking on either side of the marble fireplace. You'll appreciate the open concept kitchen with high-end appliances and convenient eat-out island, which opens to your luxurious family room. You'll really appreciate the craftsmanship of the custom alderwood accent wall surrounding the fireplace and along the archway leading into the family room, perfect for relaxing or entertaining with friends. The adjacent dining room with French-inspired marble fireplace creates another space for entertaining. At the opposite end of the home is the spacious master suite, complete with ensuite master bath and large walk-in closet. Down the hallway is a convenient powder room, laundry room, and secondary bedroom suite. You also have access to a detached casita with full bedroom and bathroom off the courtyard. What I really love about this home is the single-level living and the flexibility of space. It's really perfect for someone that's downsizing and wants the flexibility of having an in-home office or a place for guests to stay. And the lot is just amazing. It's perfectly situated on a southwest exposure, perfect for catching beautiful sunsets, hot air balloons, and of course the ocean in the distance. With a lot size that's nearly 3/4 of an acre, there's plenty of room for a pool, a guest house, another casita, or you could expand on the beautiful gardening setting that's already abundant with several varieties of fruit trees. Santaluz literally has something for everyone. Whether you're hiking one of the 25 miles of groomed trails, or if you're looking to play golf on the 250-acre Reese Jones designed golf course, go swimming in the resort-style pool, or join with your friends and socialize at the 11-acre Village Green, which resides at the membership-owned Hacienda and Santaluz Clubhouse and Spa, both of which serve as the social heart of the community. It's a very, very special development. It has over 3,800 acres of land, but only 900 home sites. So you really get a sense of the vision of the developer when they built this project, that they wanted to take in the natural landscape and allow the homeowners to have different vistas and views from each of the home sites, just taking in the natural beauty of the surrounding area. This guard-gated community with 24-hour security and over 1,000 acres of open space makes Santaluz a wonderful place to call home. Thanks so much for touring this amazing home with me in the beautiful community of Santaluz. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, please give me a call at 619-804-5686, or you can email me, Darin@triolorealty.com.